and we're drilling post holes. that was kind of quick and easy compared to what we did last week.
Right.
Good grief.
Just even.
So we are continuing the fence that is over on the other side over there. That fence with the wood slats, we're continuing it along here, and it's going to run right up to the shipping container, and it will have the boards all the way across here as well. And that's the last place that we're going to put the boards. We just thought it would look nice if it had the pretty wood all the way along here. That fence will be continued all the way across to here. And then my vision for this area is gravel here and there. The hand washing station will be over here, and then there'll be a picnic table there and a picnic table there. And then this will have a concrete stoop, but then gravel parking lot out this way. So, and I think it'll be nice. Kind of just a pretty little oasis where you can sit and watch the alpaca. Here's a more than midway update. We have this hole real close to the shipping container, so it's kind of hard to get in there because you've only got 3/4 of a hole to dig with access. This one's ready, but he didn't drop the post in because the cat was laying on it at the time. And then we have these 3 in. And he saved this one for last because it's going to be the easiest, because it went right down in there with the drill. So it's going to look pretty cool. We'll get them in and tamp them. And we're not going to do the fence or anything today. We're just doing the posts because it rained. And we might, not today because it's very, very humid out here. It's not that hot, but it is super humid. He's drenched. I'm kind of miserable, but I'm not too bad because I'm not the one digging holes. But we'll get this fence on here a different day. Our next move might be to do more post holes though, because the ground's moist. And I still am like kind of in awe how deep it is wet. Yeah. We only got 1.5 inches.
Yep, it soaked. And it kept soaking.
It's pretty crazy.
A lot like my shirt.
Because we can go down, soak like your shirt. You can go down 2 feet and it's still wet down there. And we haven't had any rain for 2 months. It's pretty amazing. Anyway, you save the easy hole for last. Just keep thinking about that. Your last one's going to be the easiest one. Well, maybe not, because your body's like exhausted at this point, but
Yeah, for some reason it got rockier and rockier further this way we went.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, there's some pretty good sized rocks in there. And then this guy. This one was huge. Huge! You can see in the hole too, there's a lot in there. A lot in there that are just on the sidewalls. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, that one does have a lot more rocks in it. And it's not just from the gravel's just on the top.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll put you back on super speed.
Super speed.
You have no energy. Yeah, this is going to be really nice.
Really, really nice.
It's going to be pretty and functional, and it's going to make this area really cozy. I've thought about this a lot. I envisioned it a long time ago. So it's nice to see it coming around to fruition. You're just tired and wet and dirty. Look at how dirty your shirt is.
Yeah.
Nice.
Working.
All day long it's been pretty shaded because of these trees, which is why I wanted to leave them there. And then that fence will create shade too, because it's not it's not a see-through fence really. So I like it. Good job. That's all you can do. Raise your thumb. Whew.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye. Just waiting for the cart.
The cart. Is there a tram?
Somebody roll me into
Is there a tram
cart.
that I don't know about?
Yeah.
It goes back to the house.
Bye.